Hello USAO, this is Scott, your friendly director of instructional technology, and I want to show you a couple of cool things that you can do inside of PowerPoint that maybe you were aware of and maybe you weren't. And if you watch today's video, you will know for sure. So what I've done is I've opened a PowerPoint up and I'm just going to choose a random template at randomness here. So I'm going to go with Madison and create. And right off the bat, I'm given my title slide, which we're all familiar with, and the title slide is unique. I don't want to talk about the title slide. What happens comes next when we're putting our content together. And this doesn't matter if you're a student or a faculty member or a staff person preparing for some sort of presentation to anybody. There's frequently, we change the sizes and the locations of our text boxes and how we want them to look. And we change the font that we typically use. So one of the things that you can do is change the font, change the font, change the size and location of the text boxes, and start building your PowerPoint. And here's where some cool tricks can come into play. Once you have that first content slide exactly how you want it, with the picture, the font, the whatever, if you're working inside of that, then when you create a new slide, there's all these different things that you can choose from. And you can choose to start with another title and content slide, but then you have to redo everything. So one trick is to simply duplicate that slide. And now you've got another slide ready to go, that has the locations of all the text boxes or the images or the artwork or whatever it is that you're working with. That's one way. And then I can pop it, and I can even right click on a slide and choose to duplicate slide. So I can right click on slide to duplicate, I can click on new slide and choose duplicate, but either way, once I have my perfect content slide ready to go, I can use this feature to build out my presentation. Once you've got all of that done, and there's things that you like about this particular thing, if you have a style that you prefer, that you work well with, and you've got your slides exactly how you want them, another thing that you can do is you can choose to save them as a template. So I'm going to choose to save as, and for me, I save all of my things on the cloud. You can save yours wherever you want to save them, but right here under presentation 3 where it says PowerPoint presentation, the file right now will be saved as a PowerPoint, and I'm just going to save it as a template and hit save. It's called presentation 3, and now I'm ready to go. So when I'm ready to start a new PowerPoint, when I click new PowerPoint, right here is personal, and inside of personal, presentation 3. I also made a cool template which looks awfully similar, but they're different. So you can give these unique names as well. There you go, a couple tricks that you can use in PowerPoint. As always, if you have any questions or issues, you can email me at the email bouncing by my head, or contact Ginger at her email. We would love to help. Thanks for watching.